Hey guys, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I certainly did. I had a great night last night as well, Halloween. It was good fun with the kids and whatnot. We had quite a few trick-or-treaters. So it was good. Really enjoyed it all round. Every year I say, I want to do something bigger and, you know, I bought the fog machine. So if you remember the Halloween video I did, I took the fog machine home and did a bit of fog. And that was kind of cool. We didn't quite do as much as we normally do every year though, with some of the sounds and effects and so on and so forth. So I always say every year, we'll do something bigger, we're going to do more, and then we end up going, oh crap, we've got no money or whatever, so, or you find something better to spend your money on. But it's a good bit of fun. Anyway, so today I'm just going to show you a few bits and pieces around some of the bits that I said about powder coating before and some of our build challenges. So let's take you downstairs and I'll show you some of that. Yesterday Max managed to build 32 of these eyelid lights, which is absolutely amazing, and the quality of these is just absolutely amazing. They need a little wipe over the microfiber cloth. You can kind of see like a greasiness to them, but otherwise they're absolutely beautiful. But what I don't like is how they're stored right now. This to me is a recipe for an accident waiting to happen and then getting damaged. You know, this is what we're about, continuous improvement. We'll need to come up with something to actually make sure that these don't get damaged and they get stored in a really nice way as they're being packed. To be fair, what we're meant to do as well is one piece flow them. So as they're built, they're meant to be packed in one of these tubes as you go, and of course that would probably be the best preventative answer rather than me coming up with some sort of awesome jig or something to try and resolve that. But you know, it's one of those challenges. I'm going to bring you back around to me. Hello. So one of the challenges we're having now, so Pat's taken back over on the powder coating, and he did 87 parts yesterday, which was absolutely amazing. It's just, we need to get to 120. So we need to work out how do we do that, how do we get that, because you should be able to do 120 and have spare time to do other things. It shouldn't be any struggle at all. So yesterday I cleaned out some of the tanks. I'll show you some of the tanks, and I had to clean out the ultrasonic as well. So this is one of the tanks, and I gave it a pretty good clean. I got as much as I possibly could off of it. There's just a little film on there now. You can see just something just sitting on the top, and that's just literally from the anodized solution next to it here, feeding into this as in which you dip. But we've agreed now we're going to empty this out once a week, and this, the ultrasonic cleaner, we're going to empty out once a day, because this is our last clean step. And this is early in the morning at the moment, and if you have a little look in here, you can tell just from one day how much dirt has come off, and this all impacts the cleanliness of these parts. I need to be super clean, because I realise what's happening is, I'll show you around here. So what's happening is we have a part, let's say we take this spark rod here, and Pat will sit there and sand any defects with these sanding blocks. He's trying to make sure that it's absolutely perfect, but he's sanding off dirt and so on and so forth, and trying to wipe off dirt. He's spending, you know, 5 minutes apart, and that's what's affecting our numbers. So that's the challenge. So I'd love to know, do you have any ideas about how we can improve that scenario? If you've got any thoughts or anything, put the comments in below. And if you want to stay informed about what's going on here, because I like to show, you know, the challenges and the difficulties that we go through as well as the successes, subscribe and you'll see them. Thanks guys, see you later.